So this project demonstration is of Intruder alert using Raspberry Pi and the Pi camera. So here you will have one buzzer and one PIR sensor. PIR sensor is kept inside a box. You can use any box so that in order to avoid the movement detection frequently. Else before you starting the kit, the movement detection will be done continuously, and it keeps on sending the emails. And here you'll have an email ID. The email ID and password is intruderdetect2021@gmail.com, and the password is alertintru@2021. So you have to copy log in into this thing now. So in order to start this Raspberry Pi, you should use your mobile phone micro USB adapter, original charger, and connect it at this particular marked area. Don't connect to this part. This is USB. So you can use any micro USB to USB converter and then connect the pen drive in order to download the videos. Remember, you have to connect here, don't connect here. This is USB. In order to connect any USB device, you have to use micro USB to USB adapter and connect the USB device to it. Okay. So before connecting this thing, we will share you other videos in which how you have to configure the Raspberry Pi in order to get the screen of the Raspberry Pi into your laptop. For that purpose, okay, the mandatory thing is you have to turn on your mobile phone 4G and personal hotspot and keep the settings as shown in this video. Okay, first thing, and thereafter you follow that video. In that video you will be requiring two softwares. One software will be the advanced IP scanner. Okay. So you have to connect your laptop also to that particular project mobile phone hotspot. Okay, you have to connect the laptop to your mobile phone hotspot and power up the Raspberry Pi using your mobile phone charger. After you powering up, open this advanced IP scanner, click on the IP and press scan. This will be in the other video also, but I am showing you for your purpose. And the other software we will be requiring is advanced IP scanner. I will show you how we will get this screen. After the scan is done, we will get some laptops will show the address of address like Pi, or else other laptops won't show it, like this name Pi and the Raspberry Pi Foundation. And you have to concentrate on the name of Pi with a blue icon. Okay, don't see this gray icons. These are other Raspberry Pi connectings with previous IP addresses. Now concentrate on this IP address 192.168.0.109. Go to your VNC viewer software, type that IP address, press enter. So when you press enter, it will ask for the username and password. Username is small letters Pi, password is 123456. Remember password. The IP address may changes also. Okay, just I'm showing you the password. Then press OK. You will get the Raspberry Pi screen. After getting the Raspberry Pi screen, you will have a desktop icon here. So you have to double click the desktop icon. So when you double click on the desktop icon, it will take a minute in order to initialize everything, and the system starts the camera streaming. Here you will have a folder icon called File Manager. If you click on this File Manager, so if you click on this File Manager, you will have all some folders. In these folders, you will be having this recording videos folder, where your videos will be recorded and stored in the .mp4 file. You can also when you connect your micro USB and pen drive here, you will get an icon here. If you don't get the icon, 90% you will get the icon. If you don't get the icon, you can go to File Manager. On the left side, if you scroll down, you will find a folder called Media and your Pi. Click on Pi and your pen drive icon will be shown here. Okay, So if you don't get the icon on the desktop, else you can double click on that particular icon and copy the recording video into that folder. And when you double click on the desktop icon, you will get this screen. I'm deleting the existing record. Just I'm pressing hash. It will go into this trash folder. Right click, empty the trash. Frequently empty the trash if you delete it. Press yes. Okay. Now the PIR value continuously, if it is not detected, it will be in the 0 thing. And one more thing is, in the file manager, we're also sending the image to email for an alert, and that image will be this one, Intruder image. Don't delete this image. It will be overlapped one after the other new one, but don't delete this previous image. Let it be like that only. Now when everything is set up, now I'm removing the PIR sensor, and I have detected the human here. So whenever the human is detected in the PIR sensor, then immediately the application will first send the email. Okay. So we can go and check here. We got an email, PIR detected intruder alert, and we got the image, and thereafter it starts to record, and the recorded video will be stored in this particular folder, recorded folder, through which how you have to go to file manager. I'm closing this thing. I've closed the previous one, this one. Okay, go to file manager. You will find the recorded videos folder, and you can play the video also. Double click on it, and you can keep an eye on the processing power. It's already 100%. Raspberry Pi has a limited processing power. Okay, so you can also after this application is done, and you can see the video play. So video is playing here, and the video will be recorded approximately for 10 seconds. Done. This video has been played. I will play you again for you. So this is the recorded video. You can download this video and play in your laptop also. Then I'm closing it. And in order to close your application, click on this camera frame window, okay, and press Q in your laptop, and the application will be terminated. This is the proper way in order to turn off the application. So this is the procedure to operate the intruder alert using Raspberry Pi system.